Click here, user defined. Now click the function, click on compile, then click on add. Here you can see the UDF file .c file which I have uh, previously written in Notepad. This is the C program. You need to write a C program here. We can see that all the properties are defined here, like specific heat, enthalpy, density, viscosity, everything. Then just click on save as and rename it as the extension of cfile.c. Now click on your file, click on OK. Library name, you can set a new name also. Now click on build. To use user defined file, you need to ensure that you have a Visual Studio in your PC. Now click on your file, source file, and click here load. Okay, you can see data has been added. You can also unload the library if you want. Just click on unload. Now again click any of the material fluid. I will rename it. The default density is constant. Click on user defined. Fluid density, vapor density, as I rename it as liquid, so I will use all the liquid property. Click on liquid density. So by this way you can select all the properties as user defined properties. Now just click on change, close. Okay, our new material is here. You can also add the vapor phase of your refrigerant. So thank you everyone.